Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 FS, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and entering a special code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So we have to open them. Let me go back. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Then scroll down again and go to the status. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.